How to change cover header background color and title on BuddyPress group's directory page. Hello everyone. In the previous video, we shared with you how to change cover header background color and title on BuddyPress group's directory page. By default, BuddyPress does not offer a cover header feature on the group's page. But you can have it with only a few simple steps. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. Once both plugins are activated, navigate to Youzify panel, General Settings, and then the group's directory settings. Scroll down to the header settings box and change the background color, title, and subtitle as you want. If you don't want a flat background color, you also can upload an image background. Let's see the results. Now you can have a beauty cover header on your group's directory page. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.